What's going on, guys? Just finished second box break. Try to make some room here. It's been fun, not gonna lie. It's been fun just to bust into some stuff. I've got some game news, though these guys are no bueno. It's okay, you know. It is okay. My odds are better in hobby, but at the same time, I've gotten more hits so far than hobby, and that's just because. So, retail, last box, 2008 Upper Deck X baseball. And this was not a very popular product. I understand that. Just indulge with me here. Just indulge with me here. Again, I'll just tell you the exponential and die cuts. Exponential Corey Hart, die cut Cole Hamels, silver. Yogi Berra, Yankee Stadium Legacy. Chase Utley, exponential. And then Jermaine die cut. Brian Roberts, exponential. Victor Martinez, die cut. And I don't think I've gotten so far one duplicate under the exponentials insert set, which is cool, I guess. Exponential Brandon Phillips. I may have just gotten my first one. Josh Hamilton, die cut. I like it. I like it. Thinking he should be MVP, even though he hasn't played this month. I think he should get it. Man, we're swinging the bat. Alright, I'm going to hold this. This is the jersey. Man was swinging the bat like crazy before he got hurt. Alright, another Yankee Stadium Legacy, Vic Rashi. Forgive me for the pronunciation because I could care less about the Yankees. So if you guys want to get these Yankee Stadium cards, give me a call. Chipper Jones, exponential, or drop me a line, excuse me. Carl Crawford, die cut. Drop me a line. I'll be glad to sell them to you. It would be my pleasure. Exponential Ryan Howard. Die cut Brian Roberts. Alright, gold die cut of Chin Ming Wang. Gold die cut. Jimmy Rollins, exponential. Ew, Torrey Hunter. Just kidding. Nothing to get too excited about. Unless I pull another jersey, which isn't going to happen. Evan Longoria, rookie. Adrian Gonzalez, exponential. And Eric Chavez, die cut. Allie Reynolds, Yankee Stadium Legacy. exponential Matt Holliday for the White Sox. And then Corey Hart, silver die cut. Alrighty. Be something good. My luck, it's not going to be. Dice K die cut. Alright. And Matt Kemp. You know, it's somebody for the Blue Jays. AJ Burnett. AJ Burnett. Should have known. Hey, guys, appreciate y'all tuning in. Appreciate you enjoying.